Hello guys, in this chapter we will import KML file direct into Civil 3D without using any plugin tools or lists. Any KML or KMZ file direct we can import in the Civil 3D just within a minute. So now we start. You give a command here, name map import. See, map import, just click on here and same our that drawing previous two video model one, it's that KML file. Okay, and click OK here. Then this window will be open here. Nothing you have to do, just click on OK. It is processing now. Processing object, just to wait. So many objects. Yes, now it's open. We can't see, then we have to give to one command, zoom and extend here. You see, this is our drawing. You can see our pipeline as in previous two video. So it's very easy and direct we can import in our Civil 3D very fast. This is very easy way to import a KML file Civil 3D and no need to use the another tools, plugins or converter softwares. So please subscribe the channel.